Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my online class. Students, yesterday we have finished the chapter and I have given some homework to you. I hope you all have completed your homework. You all have learned and write your homework. Now it's time to complete the exercises. So, let's see exercise A. Answer the question by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. Question number 1. The India government the government in India works at dash level. So how many levels we have already learned? It will be 2 here. The government in India works at 2 levels. The Universal Declaration, question number 2. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the UN in dash recognized franchise as a human right. So here answer will be option D, 1948. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by UN in 1948 recognizes franchise as a human right. Now question number 3. In absolute monarchy, all the powers lie with the option A. Answer will be option A, king or queen. In absolute monarchy, all the powers lie with the king or queen. Now question number 4. The Constitution of Free India grants the principle of universal adult franchise to all the citizens who are above the age of, what will be the answer? Answer is 18. Option number A. The Constitution of Free India grants the principle of universal adult franchise to all citizens who are above the age of 18. Elections in India are held on the basis of what? Answer is A. Answer is B. Universal adult franchise. Elections in India are held on the basis of universal adult franchise. The name of Nelson Mandela's autobiography is? Answer is option A, Long Walk to Freedom. The name of Nelson Mandela autobiography is Long Walk to Freedom. A and C stand for? Answer is option number A, African National Congress. Again, A and C stand for African National Congress. Now match the following. Central government. Answer C, national security, because national security is a matter of central government. Question number 2. Democracy. Answer option A, rule by the people. Number 3, franchise. Answer is right to vote. Number 4, Nelson Mandela. As you know, he was the first president of Democratic South Africa. So here answer will be option F, first president of Democratic South Africa. Question number 5. Midterm elections. Elections that take place before 5 years is called midterm election. वैसे elections जो 5 साल से पहले ही होते हैं, तो वैसे election को midterms election कहते हैं. Now last, elected government. Answer is option E, a government formed by a majority vote. Now student, that is over of today's class. Now what you have to do, you have to write and learn all the questions of exercise A and B of this chapter. Tomorrow we will see another new exercises. Till then, bye bye.